Today we booked in for a kimchi making class. As part of our kimchi making class today, we'll be exploring Mangwon Market, a bustling traditional market that's been around for 40 years. It's located in the trendy Mangwon-dong area and is known for its vibrant atmosphere, fresh ingredients and yummy food. There is so much good food here, guys. I just want to eat everything. If you like street food, then this market is your jam. There are so many delicious snacks and dishes to try, like tteokbokki, fish cake, kimbap, fried chicken, octopus, soy marinated crabs, jokbal, and plenty of other mouth-watering dishes. Now, we only had a short amount of time to spend at this market, so we couldn't eat our way through, but we did sneak in a cheeky dessert before our market tour ended. Bet you guys haven't seen a T-Rex toasted marshmallow before. Neither have I, but hey, there's a first for everything. Getting marshmallows! Yeah, there's like toasted marshmallows and inside there's ice cream. So we're gonna try that because everyone here has one and it looks really good. Look at Zen and I, we were like kids at a candy store, so over the moon with our purchase. But now, it's time for the taste test. It's actually really cold, even though they toasted it. Very sweet. So there's 3 flavors, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Strawberry sold out, so we got chocolate and vanilla. Chocolate's actually pretty good. What do you think?
Wow.
It's interesting, right? It's basically marshmallow ice cream, but with that nice like toasted creme brulee-ish texture on the outside. So yum! Okay, now it's time to start our kimchi making lesson, which is held by Chef Jomin in her local home kitchen. Today, we'll be learning how to make 3 types of kimchi, as well as suyuk, which is Korean boiled pork. First, Chef Jomin showed us how to make the pork. In the pot, there's water, onion, ginger, and she adds in soybean paste. Once that begins to boil, she adds in the pork and leaves that to cook as we start to make our kimchi. She showed us how to prep all of the vegetables. So starting with the cabbage, this one is for fresh kimchi. We chopped them up into smaller sizes and separated the stem and leafy parts. Check out my mum here looking like a pro ajumma chopping that cabbage. Next, we added coarse salt and a dash of water to the cabbage to help draw out the liquid. After that, we prepared the radish. We peeled it and chopped it into 1.5 centimeter cubes. Then we sprinkled on sugar and salt and left that to soak for about an hour. With the remaining radish, we slice that up into thin strips, which will be used in the aged kimchi recipe. Next up, it's time to scrub some cucumbers with coarse salt. I know what you guys are thinking. Zen's great at cleaning cucumbers. Get your head out of the gutter. Then we chopped up the cucumbers into about 5 centimeter lengths and cut across down one side like this. This is going to help the seasoning absorb into the center of the cucumber. Next, we soaked them in water and salt for about 30 minutes. Okay, that's most of our prep work done. It's time to mix up the seasoning. Now I'm going to leave the recipe in my description box in case you want to try it out yourself. Here we're making the mixture for the aged kimchi. So I added chili powder, anchovy sauce, preserved shrimp, garlic, sugar syrup, and ginger. I gotta glove up and give it a good mix. I coated my radish slices first, then added my spring onions before rubbing it thoroughly through a bunch of pre-salted cabbage. This is the tedious part. Now, most Korean households come together to make a large batch of kimchi once a year, usually during the winter, and it usually takes the whole day. So can you imagine sitting there and rubbing seasoning into each leaf of cabbage? That's a lot of work. Also, according to a study, an average Korean person consumes about 37 kilos of kimchi annually. Boy, that's a lot of kimchi. Once coated, the whole cabbage is usually wrapped up like this and left to ferment and age. Then when it's ready to eat, it's unwrapped and cut into bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to move on to seasoning our cucumber and radish kimchi. The seasoning recipe is slightly different, so please refer to my description box if you want to try it out. Lila, are you learning how to make it? So when you're older, you make it for mama? Check out our beautiful creations. Don't they look delicious? Now, as we were packing up our kimchi to bring home, Chef Joman sliced up the pork that she cooked earlier, and we got to enjoy it with our freshly made kimchi. Nom 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 nom. It was so good. Guys, look, now we have kimchi for the rest of our trip and even some to take back. Oh, this is a workout.
Heavy. Like bicep curls.
Bicep kimchi curls. This was such a fun experience to do with my family. I love eating kimchi and now I can appreciate it even more after learning how to make it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!